And welcome back to the 2 minute market. We go over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. So as we close this week out, I do love to give you guys a recap so you know exactly what happened in the market this week. So if you look at the S&P 500, you'll see that this week we did hit all-time highs, and that was on Wednesday. So Wednesday again, we got the consumers inflation gauge, and it came in line, and the market topped off that day at $6,099. So it was so close to hitting that $6,100 mark. Then on Thursday, we received the company's inflation gauge, and it came in a lot higher than we expected it. So the stock market teetered down. So it just shows that when we get new data, it's always ebbs and flows in the market. But if you look at the indices above, you'll see that today basically was a flat day. The S&P 500 stayed at that 60,050 mark. And then while the Russell did go down a little bit today, and the main trillion-dollar tech stock that we need to talk about is Tesla. Tesla had a run for the ages this week, and it hit $436 per share. And honestly, again, Tesla has been on a run since Donald Trump did get elected as the new president. If you look at the yearly chart, you'll see that on November the 5th, right before the election, Tesla was at about $250 per share. So now that it's at $436 per share, basically went up 75% in almost only a month, and it's just on a run. So we need to see exactly how high can Tesla go. Now for the big tech stock of the week that did not do that good is Nvidia. Nvidia has been on a run all year long. If you look at this chart, you'll see that Nvidia for the year has been up tremendously, but over the last week Nvidia is coming down, and it's been down over 5%. So we need to see, will Nvidia make a run before year end? Now let's go over some cryptocurrency. If you look at this chart above, you'll see that Bitcoin is hovering at $100,000. And Ethereum is still holding up. Ethereum is right under that $4,000 mark. But again, this is the weekend, and you know crypto is for the weekend. So we need to see if we're going to get that big push when the stock market is closed. Now next week is one of the most important week in the market when we get the Fed meeting. And again, the Fed meeting is all about lowering interest rates. So the market will be looking for that, and you guys know I'll reporting you guys the news. Again, this is the 2 minute market. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Peace.